Hello, 6th standard students. Already we have started to learn our third topic, that is playing with numbers, and now we are going to study LCM term, that is lowest common multiple. Okay, now without wasting our time, we are going to start to learn lowest common multiple. What are the common multiples of 4 and 6? They are 12, 24, 36 and so on. Which is the lowest of these? It is 12. We say that lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. It is the smallest number that both the numbers are factors of this number. So the lowest common multiple, that is LCM, of two or more given number is the lowest or smallest or least of their common multiples. So what will be the LCM of 8 and 12, 4 and 9, 6 and 9? Look at here. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. We know that the common multiple of 12 and 18 are 36, 72, 110, etc. The lowest of this is 36. Let us see another method to find the LCM of two numbers by using the prime factorization method. So prime factors of 12 is 2 and 2 and 3. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And the prime factors of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. In this prime factorization, the maximum numbers of times the prime factor 2 occurs in 2. It happens for 12. Similarly, maximum numbers of times the factor 3 occurs is 2. It happens for 18. The LCM of two numbers is the product of prime factors counted the maximum numbers of times they occurred in any way of the numbers. Thus, in this case, LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 36. Or you can find out the common factors and uncommon factors. And the multiplication of common and uncommon factors, you will get the LCM of the given number. Look at here carefully. LCM of 24 and 90. The prime factors of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 90, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here are the some common factors. This 2 is common with this 2. And again this 3 is common with this 3. Okay. Here, so the common factors are 2 and 3. So here we can write is also in bracket 2 into 3, and uncommon factors are that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and the product of this is 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72, 72 5s are 360. As like this way we can find out the LCM. But in this prime factorization, the maximum numbers of times the prime factor occurs 2, occurs is 3, and this happens for 24. Similarly, the maximum numbers of times the prime factor occurs is 2. It happens for 90. So the prime factor of 5 occurs only once in a 90. So this 2 into 2 into 2 and this 3 into 3 and 5 is equal to 360. Okay. Find the LCM of 40 and 48 and 45. This 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which occurs many times for the point of 45, and 3 into 3 occurs for the many times, and 5. So total is 720. As like this way we can find out the LCM. Or there is another method where we can find out the LCM. Look at here. By vertical method. Here we wrote the number. We have to find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. Here is the 20, 25, 30. On dividing by 2 we get here 2 tens are 20, and these both 25 cannot be divided by 2. So here we wrote only 25. This 30 can be divided by 2. So 2 15s are 30. So here we wrote 15. Again 10, 5, 25 and 15. This 10 is divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10. This 25 and 15 cannot be divided by 2. So here we wrote only 25 and 15. Again this 15 can be divided by 3. So here we wrote 3. 3 and 5 and 25 cannot be divided by 3. So here in the next step D we wrote as same as above the 5 and 25. Again this 5, 25 and 5 are divided by 5. So here we wrote 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25 and 5 ones are 5. Again this 5 can be divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So the LCM is 2 2s are 4. 3s are 12. 5s are 60. 5s are 300. So this is the LCM. Okay. So as like that, we have to solve some sums and some word problems related to HCF and LCF. They also give some solutions which you can study it yourself. Already you have a link where you can read the textbook. So our session in this video we are going to solve exercise 3.7. Okay, here we go to solve the exercise 3.7. Our first example is Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 35, 75 kg, 69 kg and find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact the number of times. Okay, so they told us to find out the maximum value. That means we have to find out the HCF. So the factors of 75 is 3 into 5 into 5. Factors of 69 is 3 into 69. So the 3 is a common factor. Okay, so HCF is 3. Therefore the required weight is 3 kg. The second sum is 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their step measures 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the maximum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in a complete step? They told us to find out the maximum distance. That means we have to find out the LCM. Okay, to find out the sorry, they told us to find out the minimum distance. So we have to find out their LCM. Okay, so LCM of 60, 70 and 77, look at here, 63, 70 and 77. All these numbers can be divided by 7. So 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 7 11 7s are 77. Again from this 9 can be divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9 and 10 and 11 remains the same. This 10 again can be divided by 10. So here 1 as remains the same above. 10 ones are 10 and 11 remains the same. And this 11 can be divided by 11. So this both 1 remains the same. 11 ones are 11. So LCM of 63, 70 and 77 is 7 into 9 into 10 into 11. That is 6,930. As this way you can also find out the example. Find out the other example also. Okay, as like this way you have to solve the third one. Now we will move forward for the fourth question. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Okay, the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is, look at here, we already find out by this way, is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 24, and the smallest 3-digit number is 100. And if we so to find out the number we have to divide 100 by 24. So here should be, it is 100. So If I divide this 100 by 24, we get here 4. So 100 plus 24 minus 4 is equal to 120. The fifth one is determine the greatest digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. As like the question number 4, we have to solve this question. Okay. This is answer where you can check it yourself when you solve this example. The sixth one is the traffic lights at three different roads crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 100 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again? Okay, so here we have to find out the LCM. Okay, by this method we have find out the LCM of 48, 72 and 110, that is 432 seconds. 432 seconds, that means 7 minutes 12 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds carry for 1 minute. So therefore the timing they start from the 7 a.m. So 7 a.m. plus 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So after 7 a.m. 7 minutes 12 seconds, they change simultaneously again. The seventh one, three tankers contain 403, 434 and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of container. So you have to find out the prime factors and HCF. Student, this example you can do it yourself. I'm not going to explain because you can do it. I know you are brilliant and you can do it. So try to solve this example yourself. So this 8, find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. Look at here. The LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is 90 and the remainder he left is 5. So 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. So 95 that number will be. 90 is thus find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So LCM of 18, 24, 32 from this method here we find out that is 288 and the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. And if we divide this 1000 by 288 we get here the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 136. So the required number is 1000 plus 288 minus 136 and the addition we get here 1152. And the 10th one is find the LCM of the following numbers and observe the common property, and also 11th is also same. Look at here. These are the 10th and 11th number questions where you find out the LCM and also you have to find out the which pattern it is there. So now we will solve this question number 10 and 11. Look at here, they told us to find out the factors of LCM of 9 and 4, it is 36, LCM of 12 and 5 is 60, then LCM of 6 and 5 is 30, LCM of 15 and 4 is 60. So LCM is equal to the product of two numbers in each case, and LCM is also multiple of 3. Okay, all these multiples are multiple of 3. As like that, in the question number 5 also we have find out the LCM of each number. 5 and LCM of 5 and 20 is 20. LCM of 6 and 18 is 18. As like this way, LCM of 12 and 48 is 48. LCM of 9 and 45 is 45. And from that we get that if the smallest number, if the factor of largest number, then the LCM, look at here, 9 5s are 45, so 45 is the LCM. 12 4s are 48 and 48 is LCM. 6 3s are 18 and 18 is LCM. 5 4s are 20, so 20 is LCM. So we can conclude that if the smallest number, if the factor of largest number, then the LCM of the two numbers is equal to that larger number. Okay, but before that, this question number from 3 to this from 1st to 8, these are the very important question in the point of view exam. Try to solve this all exam yourself, examples you can do it. Already before that, listen this video carefully, watch this video carefully. Okay, And if you have any query, you can ask me. When school will reopen, I will check your whole exercise of chapter 3. Here we finished our chapter 3 playing with our numbers. Hope so you will understand that whole topic. I know that this is a maths, so it will take time. Uh, Take it. If you have any query, ask me. I am there. Till then, have a good day. Bye.